Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about Greek letters. Okay, this is topic on demands. So some students, those are cannot know or cannot understand, or this one is about the Greek letters. You have to see. Okay, see this one. Those are no, you have to see, no problem. Okay, some this capital. Okay, this one is capital or lower case. Lower case, capital or lowercase, this one. Okay, capital lowercase, that means this is small letter and capital letter. Suppose this is name. Okay, name, this name here is alpha. This one is alpha. What is the capital letter? Capital letter is A, and lowercase, that means small letter, like this. Okay, this one is alpha. Understood? After that, this is beta. This one like the B, capital B, and this is capital letter, and small or lower case, this one is beta, like this. Next is gamma. This one is gamma. Okay, gamma, like this is capital letter, like this. Okay, this one gamma, and small letter like this one. Okay, this one. Next is delta. This one is like this, like triangle shape, delta. This is capital letter and this one is small letter. Okay, this one is small. After that, this one is epsilon. This one epsilon, like this, capital E, and like this one is small. Okay, this one is small, this one. Then zeta. How to write? This is capital Z, and this one is like this, small letter is like this. Okay, like this. Understood? This one is zeta. This one zeta. Then eta. Then E, capital E. Okay, capital E, like this. This one is okay. This one is eta. This is lowercase eta. Next, theta. This is capital. Okay, and this one like this. This one is capital. Okay, like this. This one is capital letter. This one capital letter. This one is like I. Okay, inside, and this is small. This one is theta. Iota. This capital I, and small like this. Okay, small. This one is iota. Sorry, this one is iota. Iota. Next, kappa. Okay, see kappa. 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 This is capital K, and this one is small. Okay, this one is kappa. Next, lambda. Another Greek letter. This is lambda. This one is lambda. Then the capital lambda. This one is capital lambda, and this one is small lambda. Next, mu. Then capital M, and this is small, like this, mu. Okay, this one mu. Next, nu, capital N, and small nu, like this. Okay, nu. Then xi, xi. Then you can write here like this. This one is I. Okay, this one I, and this one small letter is like this. Okay, this one is xi. Next is omicron. O. Okay, this small o. This is omicron. Understood? Next, pi. Next letter. Okay, next Greek letter is Next Greek letter is pi, pi, pi. Okay, name pi, like this, capital. Okay, this one is capital, and small like this one. Okay, this one. Understood? Next rho, 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 capital P, and this one is small like this. Okay, this one is rho. Next sigma, next Greek letter is sigma. Then how to write? Like this. This is sigma, and this small letter like this. Okay, this one is sigma. Next tau, is capital T like this, tau, and small like this one. Okay, this one is tau. Next epsilon, epsilon, this epsilon like, okay, this one is epsilon, then like this. Okay, this like this, like this one is like, okay, this one. Next phi, this one is phi, then capital letter, this is capital Greek letter like this. Okay, capital Greek letter like this, and small one like this one. Next chi, ci, chi, then this is capital X and like this. Okay, this one is small, this one is chi. Next psi, like this one. Okay, this one and this one same. Next omega, omega, then this one. So all of you know this one is a resistance. Okay, then this is omega, this symbol omega, and small letter is like this. Okay, this is small letter. I hope this one have to understand this part, Greek letters. So you have to see this Greek letter. This is very important for higher studies. See this one 11, 12 and class 9, 10 also. This one also important. Physics, chemistry, mathematics also needed these Greek letters. Understood? So I hope this one understand. Okay. So please subscribe my channels and for the upcoming videos. Thank you.